Hello everybody. I just got my new servos, Tektronix MG14 metal gears with ball bearings actually. And I got these from Hobby King for $8. I got to see these are a lot more powerful and stronger than these plastic 9-gram servos. A lot. This took out, the servo crashed about one good drop on the nose of the plane, and this is still working after 5 or 6 maybe good drops on the ground of the nose. Yeah, as you can see, they are quite the same, but still the MG gyro is a bit longer, but everything is the same. For the power, the 9-gram servo is a lot weaker than the metal geared one, because with the plastic one I just squeeze it with my finger and it doesn't work. I squeeze this with my finger, and I got to see it ripped a bit of my flesh, so it has a lot of force. And you get a small pack with all the doohickeys and the screws, so it's quite great, and it's greased up in the bag. It's pretty well greased up, and it passed quality control, probably, as you can see, quality control sticker. And it looked like this in the bag, something like this. I got 4 of these, and I think I'm not gonna need any more of these because they are quite powerful and strong, even with starting to fly. For $8, this is a great deal. I offer everybody to buy these. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you to decide what